I'm back in the flow we created in the last video, the customer satisfaction survey for our escape room. All right, so over on the right-hand side, we can see this little green icon with a phone. Click on that. This is our simulator, okay? The simulator shows both the messages that the contact will receive, and it also shows the background actions that our flow takes. Let's see what this looks like. So here we can see that we're waiting for reply, but our contact cannot see that. They will only see this message. All right, so they've gotten our welcome message. Next, I'm going to respond. I'm going to practice with a response that's not expected to see how our flow handles it. So instead of putting yes or no, I'm going to put maybe. Okay, again here, this text is the background action. So we can see that the result for this wait for response was set to maybe. And I'm once again waiting for a reply. Uh-oh, that doesn't look quite right. Please respond only yes or no. Okay, it worked how I wanted, so I'm going to answer now yes. Another thing to note within our flow is that we can see exactly who has passed through our flow and which route they took. So here I can see that one contact has gone through this node. Okay, if you hover over it, you can even see who it was. You can see the number. Going down here, I can see one contact has gone down this node and one has gone over here. This blue circle with the number 1 means that one contact is currently at this wait for response. So the blue circle shows where the contact is currently. If I click on it, I can send the contact a message directly. Let's finish testing our flow in the simulator. Make sure to always test all responses until the contact has exited the flow. Please share on a scale from 1 to 5. How likely are you to return? I'm going to put a 6. Oh, that was too high. Please only respond with a number 1 through 5. Okay, I'll respond with a 2. Okay, once again, you can see these background actions. We've set our results feedback to 2. Okay, I'll share my response. I'll say the escape room was too scary. Press enter. Okay, here at the end, we can see that our contact has exited the flow. Once again, our contact will only see the messages. They're not going to see these actions that are happening in the background. All right, to reset the simulator, I can press this little home button here and it will start again. Now I can try entering different responses to see how my flow behaves. If you click down on this little paperclip, you can see that you can even attach images or voice messages in the simulator in order to really respond to the flows that you've created. Okay, we can exit out of the simulator here. Using the simulator is just the first step in testing our flow. Before you send out a flow to dozens or even thousands of contacts, it's really smart to create a small test group. Conducting test runs with real phone numbers or social media channels will help you avoid common problems such as message content errors. This is why we consider it the best practice to test first on the simulator and then after that testing it out on our connected channel before we send the flow out to hundreds or thousands of people. We'll see more on that in an upcoming video. If you need any extra support, feel free to reach out on our chat widget. As always, we are always here to help.